Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. If you, like myself, are trying to get back in shape and you're looking for something that you can use in the home, garage, man cave, she shed, wherever the case it may be, even when you're out on vacation, something that will travel well with you, this little multifunction arm exerciser might be exactly what you're looking for. Now, this thing is outstanding from what I can see. I've seen so many people talking about this product over the last couple of months, and I was so excited that one of the brands reached out to me and sent me one of these sample units for me to take a look at, and I'm going to share that with you guys here today. We're going to unbox this, put it together, and do some simple exercises just to see what the resistance level is with something like this, and find out if it's going to be perfect for my everyday exercise requirements and even yours. So you guys ready? You're ready? Let's go. All right, guys, let's take a quick look at the box itself. As you can see here, very well packaged. It's basically giving us some information here on the box as to what's going to be found inside. It has the springs, it has the hand stabilizers that you guys see here. And this is made of precision steel. I guess there are some color variations available for this as well. So in the box, let me show you guys what we get. So here are some of our centerpieces. So we get two of these. This is where you're going to find your springs. This is where you're going to get a lot of your tension right here. And you guys can see how they have these little holes already pre-drilled to connect those. So we get two of those. Let's see what else we have here in the box. Let's pull everything out. So there's a little starter manual that kind of walks you through how to assemble everything. It looks to be very, very simple to put this together. So that's what we're going to do right now. All right, as you guys can see here, we have the black and blue variant here. That's kind of on theme for my stream and everything. Really nice foam. Feels good in the hands. I like that. Okay, so let's try to put these together. This should be relatively simple. It's just going to connect right here with these little pins. So you can just push this guy in to either the first point or to the second point, depending on how far you want it to go in. And that's going to be the same on both sides, okay? So we have the other one here. We're just going to lay this guy flat so you guys can see what's going on. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to press it all the way into the second point. And now we have kind of this configuration. And then the final thing we're going to do here is make sure that we're matching these up where they're going in the same direction. And we're going to attach this handle as well. And we're going to take this guy all the way to the second position as well. We still want it to go all the way to position 2. So we're going to press both of those in. And an easy way to do this is just to hold it up like this and just let it slide down into that second position. All right, guys, so now we have the entire bar configured, as you guys can see here. Really easy to do. So we're going to switch back over to the other camera angle, and I'll show you guys some of the basic exercises. Now, the instruction manual does give you a few basic exercises right here. So those are the few that we're going to take a look at. We have one right here, which looks to be for training maybe the chest, the arms, biceps, triceps, and also something for the back here. So we're going to experiment with those here in just a second. See if there's anything else we need to take note of. Nope, that's pretty much it. We covered everything so far in this video up to this point. So let's go over and take a look at what it looks like and feels like to actually use this. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like completely assembled. As you guys can see, we have that foam in the center, also on all the sections. Even the springs have a similar type of foam on here to help protect you so that if something was to go wrong or a slip or something like that. So you have a number of different ways that you can use this. One of them is going to be kind of a grip like so, where you can push this in and you can do different types of exercises. You have your single arm exercises that you could do where you would bring your arm in like this, and you could do different exercises like this. You can do the same thing over by just securing it. So that's going to help you exercise your biceps, your triceps, things like that. There are exercises you can do, obviously behind your back, where you can push in. There's a variety of different exercises you're going to be able to do using this, and you can use these throughout the day. You know, some of the ones I would probably use the most if I was trying to strengthen the upper body here, the arms, the back, the neck, all of those, I think are going to be all covered with this device. And over time, you're going to find even better ways to use this depending on how you exercise, right? You'll find different ways to interlock these, use them different ways, maybe like support it on your arm or on your leg, and you want to just do like a push down, something like that, overhand. There's a lot of different ways that you can use this. And this has really, really strong resistance, guys. I have seen things like this back in the past where there were just a couple of springs and you pull them apart or something like that. This guy right here, if you use this on a regular basis, I'm no expert, but I believe if you're using this on a regular basis, this will strengthen your muscles. There's no doubt about that, like any other type of resistance exercise. So if that's something that you're looking for, this might be the perfect thing for you to have in your home, office, man cave, she shed, whatever the case it is. If you're trying to get in shape, like your boy Rome, this might be one of the tools to help you get there. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video and take a look at some more cool things. But for now, yes, this gets the Rome stamp of approval. Yeah. All right, guys. I'll see y'all soon. Peace. I'm out.